Good morning, students. Welcome to you in e-learning classes of Standard 8 is organized by Modern English School, Nevada. I myself, Revti Raman, mathematics teacher of Modern English School, New Area, Nevada. Students, today I shall complete exercise 9B objective questions of chapter 9 percentage. One question is written on this board is question number 12. A number is first increased by 10%. A number is first increased by 10% and then reduced by 10%. The number is a number is first increased by 10% and then reduced by 10%. The number is this type question solved with the help of this method. Let the required number be x. So increased number increased number. A number is first increased by 10%. So number given x, it is increased by 10%. So x plus 10% means 10 by 100. 10 by 100 of x. Solve it. 0 to 0 equal to x plus x by 10. A student take an LCM 10. 10x plus x equal to 10x 10 into x 10x plus x 10x plus x 11x by 10. Now number x after increase change into 11x by 10. Now it is reduced by 10% also. So reduced number. Reduced number. Now number is 11x by 10. 11x by 10. So 11x by 10 minus, reduce means subtract, minus. So 10%. 10% means 10 by 100 of 11x by 10. 11x by 10. Now 0 to 0 cancel. Equal to 11x by 10 minus here 11x by 10. Now 11x by 10 into 10, 100. Here LCM is 10 and LCM of 10 and 100 is 100. 10 10s are 100. 11 10s are 110x minus 11x equal to 110x minus 11x equal to 99x. 99x by 100. Now first number is x. Now it's increase. After that decrease, it change into 99x by 100. So x to 99x by 100 it is decreased. So decrease equal to x minus x minus 99x by 100. Take an LCM 100. 100x minus 99x equal to x by 10. Now decrease percent. Find decrease decrease percentage, decrease into 100. So decrease here x by 100. So write x by 100. X by 100 into 100 by x. X to x cancel. 100 to 100 cancel. So that means decrease 1%. Answer. Decrease 1%. Answer. Write it. Students, next important question is question number 14. Written on this board is, in question number 14, in an examination, 65%, in an examination, 65% of the total students of the total examinees passed. In an examination, 65% of the total examinees passed. If the numbers of failures is 420, the total number of examinees. So let the total number of examinees, let the total number of examinees be x. Let the total number of examinees be x. Now, according to question, in an examination, 65% of the total examinees passed. So, number of passed, number of passed examinees. In short, number of passed. So 65%, 65 by 100 of x. 13 5 ja and 25 ja, 13 5 ja 65 and 25 ja 100. So equal to 13x by 20. Number of passed. Total number of examinees be x and number of passed examinees equal to 13x by 20. Now find number of failures. Number of failures. Number of failures. Total examinees be x. So x minus number of passed 13x by 20. 13x by 20 equal to taken LCM 20. 21 ja 20. So 20x minus 13x. 20x minus 13x equal to 7x by 20. 7x by 20 examinees are passed. So number of failures 7x by 20 failed. Number of failures equal to 7x by 20. Now according to question, a student in question, it is if the number of failures is 420. Is 420. Here number of failures is 7x by 20. According to question, 7x by 20 equal to 420. That implies x equal to 420. Now 7 by 20. 7 by 20 by transposition change into 20 by 7. So multiply 20 by 7. 7 6 are 42 and 0. 6 2 are 12 and double 0. So 1200 is the total number of examinees. Write it. Next question is question number 16. A number decreased by 27 whole 1 by 2%. A number decreased by 27 whole 1 by 2% gives 87. The number is, let the required number, let the required number, let the required number be x. According to question, a number decreased by 27 whole 1 by 2%. So x minus 27 whole 1 by 2% of x equal to 87 gives 87. Now solve it. That implies x minus 27 whole 1 by 2. 27 to the 54. 54 plus 1. 55 by 2% of x equal to 87. That implies x minus 55 by 2. Remove percentage, so multiply it by 100. Divided by 100. 55 by 2 into 100 of x equal to 87. Now cancel it. 11 5 ja and 25 ja. Now that implies here x minus 11x by 22 ja 40. So 11x by 40, 11x by 40 equal to 87. Now solve it. Take an LCM 40. 41 is 40. So 40x minus 11x equal to 87. 40x minus 11x by 40 equal to 87. That implies 40x minus 11x equal to 29x by 40 equal to 87. Now x equal to 87 multiply 29 by 40 by transposition. 29 by 40 by transposition change into 40 by 29. So 29 3 ja 87. Now 43 ja 120 will be the answer of this question. Write it. Students, next question is question number 19. X% of y. X% of y is by percent of what? Here find the by percent of what? That means x% y equal to what? So write it. X% of y equal to x% means x by 100 of y. Of means multiply. So x by 100 by transposition, by commutative law, by of equal to x by 100 of means multiply by. Now by commutative law, by into x by 100 commutative law. Commutative law is a into b equal to b into a. A into b equal to b into a. Now by multiply means of. So by of x by 100 equal to by of x by 100 means x percent, 1 by 100 means 1%, 5 by 100 means 5%. So x by 100 means x percent. Answer. Write it. Students, last question is question number 20. What percent of 2 by 7 is 1 by 35? What percent of 2 by 7 is 1 by 35? Let the x percent of 2 by 7 equal to 1 by 35. What percent of 2 by 7 is 1 by 35? Let the x percent of 2 by 7 is 1 by 35. That implies solve it. X percent means x by 100 of 2 by 7 equal to 1 by 35. Now, of means multiply. So, x into 2, 2x, 100 into 7, 100 into 7 equal to 1 by 35. Students, now 2 by 100 into 7 by transposition change into 100 into 7 by 2. So that implies x equal to 1 by 35 into 100 into 7 by 2. Now cancel it. 7 5 ja 35, 25 ja 100 and 10 2 ja 20. So answer is 10%. What percent? Then 10%. Now homework. Complete exercise 9B. Exercise 9B. Students, today your homework is complete exercise 9B. Thank you. That's all.